Installing a new hub holder. If you have this simulator model with two hubs in this position, you received this holder. You received or already use this USB cable. See the correct installation method. Start by removing the USB cables and security cables. Remove the hubs holders and disconnect the cables. Take the new hub holder and install the hubs this way. The hubs will be back to back with the external ports facing up. Reconnect the hub cables. Install the screws to hold the holder. Install the remaining screws. Now, connect the USB cable to the fast charger and then to the hub. Install the security cable. Don't forget to check the cable spacing so that the security cable can be stretched without affecting the USB cable. This will ensure the cables are connected correctly, without the risk of damage. Repeat the process on the other side.